Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several options listed there, and you'll want to click on Notebooks. This is where all your organizational magic happens, as notebooks serve as the primary way to categorize and manage your notes within Evernote. Now you have two options here. If you already have an existing notebook that you'd like to work with, you can select it directly from the list. However, if you want to create a brand new notebook, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on New Notebook. This will open up a creation window where you can set up your new notebook from scratch. In the notebook name field, enter whatever name makes sense for your organizational needs. For example, you might type something like work. Once you've entered your desired name, go ahead and click Create. This establishes your notebook and makes it available in your sidebar for future use. Here's where it gets interesting. To create what functions as a folder in Evernote, you'll need to use something called a stack. Right-click on the notebook you just created. From the menu that appears, select Add to Stack, then choose New Stack. Stacks are essentially containers that hold multiple notebooks together, giving you that folder-like structure you're looking for. This is perfect for keeping related notebooks organized under one umbrella. Next, you'll be prompted to name your stack. Enter a name based on your preferences and what makes the most organizational sense for you. Then click Create. This will generate your stack and automatically place your selected notebook inside it. To verify that everything is working correctly, look for the small icon beside your newly created stack in the left sidebar. Click on this icon to expand the stack and see the notebooks contained within it. If you can see your notebook nested under the stack, congratulations, you've successfully created a folder structure in Evernote. If you need to add more notebooks to this stack or create additional stacks, just repeat these same steps. The process is consistent and straightforward once you understand how stacks and notebooks work together. And that's it. You've now organized your Evernote workspace with folders using the stack feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.